I've officially attached the KSpeaker S7 on my FZ07. So we're gonna actually try it out right now. I'm gonna show you guys a demonstration on the bike while I'm on it. But we're gonna go ahead and turn it on.
Bluetooth mode.
It's in Bluetooth mode, so now we're gonna go right here. See, should be able to find it through here. S7. Oh, that's how you know it's attached. That's how you know it's attached. So it's connected. Oh, that's actually really cool.
This world will never be
What I expected.
and if I don't
This is so cool.
who would have guessed it?
Oh, okay, so it changes songs. Sorry, I read the manual, but I didn't read it all the way. But it changes songs. You go through like this. Okay. I'm assuming that's volume.
Time without
Okay, so there's volume.
feeling that pain.
Without love, pain, can't get enough. All right, let's try this. Let's try this out. I could be me.